What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We about to redo this bathroom. We're gonna take the tub out and install a shower pan, just a shower pan instead of a tub. But let's get to it. So of course, first thing that we had to do was tear all the walls out. You gotta get the walls tore out so you can get the tub out.
Break all like it on the ground.
Yeah, you gotta pick all that.
Then I want to pick it up again off the tube.
Yeah.
So this is what it looked like once we got all the walls tore out.
Okay, get all these quick.
Of course, we left a little wall where the toilet was, so we would be able to use the bathroom as we finish this process.
Straight down there to where? Okay, so
Once we got all the walls tore out and the shower pan in place, new drywall put up. Of course, we use green board around the shower area. That's to keep from having mold and mildew. And there go our shower pan, y'all, right there. Next, we install the tile. We cut a little hole right here, so we have a place to put our shower accessories. And everything is going great, y'all. And this is the final product. After we got everything painted.
we're gonna do the little showing now. Replace the electrical fixture. Install an outlet. Took the tub out to install my shower. I just didn't like the walls that was in the stucco walls. And then a rainfall shower here. And then without having a shower pan, and then I put a little cabinet here for my stuff to go on the wall. Then switch it.